everyone. Today we're gonna make what do you call that one? Any help? Bilobilo. Okay. Here are the ingredients. Coconut milk. Bastos kayo. The ingredients are, what is this? Coconut milk. So obvious that I'm not the one making this one. And then, what is this? Sweet potato. You have to cut according to the size you like. Maybe the whole thing or the quarter like this size. And this, what is this? Tapioca pearl. A colorful tapioca. And glutinous flour rice.
You can add
Today we're gonna make Bilobilo. The ingredients are coconut milk, sweet potato, tapioca pearl, and glutinous rice flour. But this is not complete ingredients. We supposed to have what's that? Jackfruit and something else which we don't have. This is the only what we have here. And this one we have to make it small circle with a small circle thing. Boiled enough amount of water and then add this tapioca pearl. Yeah. Stir it. Wait until it cooks. Then add the milk. Sorry. Coconut milk. Coconut milk. 2 cans of coconut milk. Stir and stir. Next is add the sweet potato.
lalaki naman.
Sorry.
Parang pangkulang.
We don't have banana. Like in Philippines, we use saba. And what else ingredients? There's like, what's that? We call it gabi and ubi. Yeah, we don't have yam. We don't have yam. And then later on, we have to add the glutinous rice and sugar. And that's the only thing. Yeah. Then I'll add this glutinous. Thingy. Glutinous circle. That's why we call it bilobilo. Bilog. And it's done. This is the finished. This is the cooked one. Let's eat.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.